Toyota GR86 is a low-slung, athletic, two-door coupe with a pair of occasional rear seats in the back and a brawny engine up front to bring a traditional sports car experience to the masses. The GR86 replaces the recently retired Toyota GT86 and Subaru BRZ twins. With the likes of Subaru and Audi retreating from the sports car heartland, Toyota will increasingly have the market to itself. Toyota's own projections suggest that in the coming year, it will be just the GR86 and the Mazda MX-5 left on buyers' shortlists as manufacturers increasingly focus development on modish SUVs, crossovers, and electric cars. Simple, not overburdened with power and hugely fun to drive, the outgoing Toyota coupe was an old-school sports car that was rewarding to live with. The company is hoping that the replacement GR86 will be held in just as high esteem. And the early signs look good, as it comes from the same team that brought us the brilliant GR Yaris and larger, pricier GR Supra. The Toyota GR86 is new from the ground up, sharing very few parts with its predecessor. The GR86 is an eye-catching coupe that will remain a rare sight on the roads. Fewer than 500 cars have been allocated to dealers in the country. The Toyota GR86 interior follows a classic 2+2 sports car template. You sink low into the front seats, ensconced by the chair's deep bolsters, to keep you held in place during spirited driving. Those in the front should be comfortable, as there is plenty of space for legs and elbows, even for taller drivers. The wheel and seats both have sufficient adjustment to find the perfect driving position. Quality of materials has been improved over the GT86 by just the right amount. You will still find hard plastics in the GR86 cabin, but it's less dated looking than its predecessor, and the bits your hands and elbows touch are padded, softened, and upped in quality. There's an infotainment touchscreen mid-dash which doesn't dominate your view and is easily legible. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, making syncing your smartphone a cinch, and you can choose a digital navigation service over Toyota's if you'd prefer. The GR86 sticks with a manual handbrake sprouting from the center console. This car is all about good old-fashioned sports car fun rather than techno one-upmanship. The electro nannies are pleasingly few and far between.